How to allow or block live activities on the lock screen for the iPhone 16 or the 16 Pro Max. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down, then tap on Face ID and Passcode. Next, enter your passcode. Then we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Live Activities toggle button. Tap on the toggle button to block it or allow access to live activities directly on the lock screen. Now, live activities is a new feature introduced in iOS 17 that allows you to keep track of real-time information directly on your iPhone's lock screen. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.